All right, guys, I know you want to see more of this. I know you want to see more of this. I want to see more of this, but that's not what we're going to be talking about right now today. I want to show you something that's going on that bike that is, in my opinion, really cool. It's a big deal. And there it is, the full FMF exhaust system for a 2022-2023 Honda CRF250R or RX. They'll fit on both. But what's so special about this is, how many have you seen around? How many of these have you seen around? I have not seen many. I've seen some photos on the FMF website, but they're not of the exact exhaust. They're just stock photos of older exhausts. This is the full system. They're super hard to get. I finally got one after waiting for a long time. I think everybody knows what the backlog is on these exhaust systems. I was going to go for the titanium, but I went with stainless steel. I have yet to see this exhaust, what it really looks like. I don't think it looks anything like the images on their website. I saw one video on YouTube of a total aftermarket CRF 250, and it basically had like a pre-production version, and it looked really cool. So let's have a look at this. Let's break these boxes open. I'm just gonna set this down. Forgive me if this camera's kind of bouncing all over the place, but you know, let's experience the unboxing and the unveiling for the first time of an FMF exhaust for the CRF 250R. Can't wait to see this thing. I want to see it. Part number one. Oh yeah, so look at that. Right, so that's the exhaust header. Again, this is stainless steel. Let's have a little peek at this. Check that bad boy out. Oh yeah. Can't wait to get that on the bike. Look at that. That is awesome looking. Right, what do you guys think? That's just the header. Right, let's have a look at the rest of this. I'm gonna keep it all together because I'm not putting it on the bike right now today. This is just kind of an unveiling of the FMF exhaust. So let's get into this box. All right, if I can, let's see here. Let's get this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, everybody should have one. Let's get this out of the plastic. Again, I don't want to totally get it out yet, only because I'm not putting it on just yet. Oh, shoot, man, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Dang. Oh. What the? Whoa, this thing is awesome, man. Look at that. Shoot. Hopefully you guys can see that all right, because that is a work of art. Look at that. All right. That is it. So it's the other end. All right, the business end. Let's put it on the table and kind of look at them together. Kind of stand this up so get a good look if I can get that to sit there correctly. Hold on. All right. Don't want it to fall down already. All right, it's brand new. So there we go. There's one piece. Get this piece out. Now let's get this kind of situated a little bit so you can see them collectively. Oh yeah, there we go. The FMF exhaust, stainless steel, CRF 250R, 2022, 2023. What an awesome piece of work that is. All right, you guys are drooling over this exhaust, right? Can't wait to get it on the bike. It's going on, don't worry, it'll get there. Love the way they've done that. That's just cool. Let's put it up in the light there so you can get a good look at it. detail. Super well made. I've heard it goes on like a glove, and yeah, it's awesome. It is awesome. So anyway, check it out, guys. That is the full FMF exhaust, stainless steel, for a Honda CRF250R, both the 2022-2023. This fits. I'm gonna put it on. Can't wait to get it on, and I'll show you a lot more videos, so stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think.